Hello everyone. Welcome to episode 5 of the Daily Target series. And today's target is this. So let's begin. So first of all, I'll remove this. And I came to know that we do not need to write the body by ourselves. Like it isn't needed in the HTML tags. We can straight away write it because we aren't working in a simple code editor. So I'll simply give it a background color first. So background color, I'll simply write background. And the color is this pink type color. Also, I'll change its name to A, which I'll also add here. Class is equal to A. Let's also give it display flex. So display flex, justify content center, align items center, and let's increase its size. I'll go with 200, and it's the accurate size. So let's paste this. Now what I'm going to do is I'll create, you can say, 8 divs. 8 more divs would be created, and you will know why. But first I'll go with display flex. So now what we would be doing is I'll simply copy this. Copy. Then I'll paste it here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? And now we have to add more. So here, paste, paste, like Z. Now we have to paste it, and further on here we have to paste it. Now I will be changing the names. So B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Okay, so now I would be giving the B, D, F, and H will have similar properties, so I would be giving them all together. So B, D, F, and H. So what the properties they'll have are width 100 pixels, height 100 pixels, and then position relative, and that's it. That's all the properties we need for it. Now it's turn for they'll have some similar properties and some different ones, so I'll just give the similar properties together. So C, E, G, and I. So what we'll do is, first of all, I'll give it background. So the background is, no, not this. Paste it here. Also, I forgot to give one. Overflow hidden. You'd be soon seeing that why it is important. Now I'll give it a width of, you can say, 150 pixels and a height of 150 pixels. And what you are seeing is like also we have to give a overflow hidden here. So overflow hidden, like let me first try. If it doesn't work, then we have a little bit complex path to do it. Like I haven't created it till now, so wait, I had to write transform. And now we have to write rotate 45 degree. It isn't how it has to be done. Flex wrap 2. I don't remember how I used to do it. Okay, we have another path for it. So it is, I'll first take the H1 and F, then I'll just cut, create another div, lower. Like as a fact, you shouldn't use this in web development in real. Like this can be done to complete challenges, but not in, you can say, real life. And even I am confused what happened. Yeah, so now F and H are inside the lower one, but I haven't defined what the lower one is, so let just wait a bit and I will do that also. First I'll take this one, let's close it, and now what we have to do is create another div, class upper, paste it, now we have to define both of them. So like I won't even give the whole upper and lower, I would change it to U and L because they weren't used previously. So what I'll do for U is width 200 pixels and height 100 pixel. Like I won't even give them individually, both of them need to have the same property. And also now I'll do it right, like 25 pixels maybe. Okay, I forgot to give position relative. Position, okay, I have to give absolute. Don't get confused that I said relative. Even I get confused sometimes, so sorry for that. 100 pixels? No. Like 50? Not even 50. Let's do it 15. No. 25 seems to be a better value. Okay, so all we have to do is give right a little bit more value, which is 30. And it's an exact one once again. Okay, there is a little bit difference, like a subtle difference, which just let me check what that difference is caused by. So maybe 31. Yeah, now it's perfect. So let's submit it and let's see what we get from it. 600.11 points. That's good. There were other ways also to do the same, but I was just not willing to do them right now. Maybe in some further video, I'll be using it in a similar one, like Similar daily targets would be coming. So maybe at that time you'll be seeing other tricks to do it. Like, I'm just thinking of one thing to decrease the characters, and space is also taken as a character. So if in case you don't know, you can write HTML in this way also. Like, even if you write it in a straight line, there wouldn't be any error, because HTML doesn't care you are writing in a single line or giving good indentation or something. Okay, so like this is a method to increase the score there, which I would not suggest, but you can sometimes do it for fun, as I'm doing. So if you now, like, you can read what the score is, 600.11, but now when I'll submit, it will increase. And you can see now the score is 600.19. And we can go even further, although it isn't of any value because you should only use it for practice. So that's it for today's video. Hope to see you in the next one. Till then, bye.